Today, I'm replacing the thermostat on my Unimog.
Hi, my name is Tarbonell. After watching a Casey Neistat video, I got a tattoo. Cool, don't you think? A week later, I got retrenched. I don't think the two are linked. I used my retrenchment money to buy a vehicle I wanted since I was a kid, a Unimog. I will turn this into an expedition vehicle and travel the world. Come with me on my journey, and if you become a patron, you can join me on an expedition. I don't want to travel alone. Subscribe and join me.
It's gorgeous.
What the thermostat does, an engine has an optimal temperature that it has to run at. On this one, I mean the thermostat that's in there is perfectly fine, there's nothing wrong with it. But it's set to, I think, 81 degrees. And so the alarm system in the truck is set up to about 82 degrees. So from being at optimal temperature to being, setting the alarm off, it's just too narrow. So the solution is to put a different thermostat on. This one is a 71 degree thermostat, I think it is. I've never done this before on any vehicle, ever. Never watched it done, never seen it done. But there's my instructions out of the manual for the Unimog. Prop up engine hood outside and detach front. Outside, do they mean outside in the open, which I am.
Number 2, drain a certain amount of coolant off. Okay, fuck me dead. Really? They did this clockwise? What is wrong with people? Why would they make it bolt clockwise? That's just stupid.
I think that's enough. They said drain some of the coolant off.
We've been scared for too long, my brothers. Angry hands have written our histories. These safer ways will not bring us peace, but only lead us to a greater suffering. See, your loss is so great, I hesitate to even touch this, cause your way of life was beautiful till my ancestors crushed it. It's disgusting what we did, and just as bad how we remember. Make a hero out of Columbus and celebrate November. A feast of peace that most likely never even happened, cause we're probably too busy introducing slave traffic, or giving you diseases in the blankets that we wrapped them, more systematically eradicating culture quite rapid. See, we stole your native lands, putting reservations and caskets. Where's no gonna capture an attitude so savage? But that's how we will call you in our history, boy. Chapters never the way we use your flesh to test our knives. Well, perhaps it's too graphic, too great shame to acknowledge either way. Too many childs full of wisdom that have fallen in no reparation to pay for.
Clean sealing surface, fit thermostat element, attach cover with new seal, correct coolant level.
My brothers, angry hands have written our histories. These safe.
I'm putting in new bolts, putting in a new gasket, and I have some gasket grease stuff. Oh, where's this one? Do I have to clean that? Yes, I have to clean this one. Wow.
Upon your back, no, denied you education, you still progress. See, we told you, you were 3/5 of the men that we are. If ever let you sit and waving on the front lines of a wars, gave you separate but unequal. Then we hung you on them trees, but you're spitting, not diminish yourself.
Then what I do, I put some more on this side. Yeah.
Make it on your own, and now we judge from the suburbs, Mr. Beauty through the smoke and the flames and the pain. There's so many wounded souls, and I'm sorry for all the hatred we shown Africa's children.
There we go. Then this comes in.
Feel it. We've been scared for too long, my brother.
This one's gonna go through there.
Histories, these safer ways will not bring us peace, but only lead us to a greater suffering. Raise the glass, the foundation, every society of all time. The light bringers, the culture makers, and the bridges across divides. The men made with a hate.
I'd say that one's done. I think this is done.
The very things that make you so spectacular. So excuse my vernacular, I'm gonna fuck a lot more than is asking for. With even ever since then, we've been trying to control you, but haven't been able to hold you. Cause you
That's probably good. Nice and tight.
You shoulder the foundations of a world that's grown colder with a man's touch. Ladies, stand up. It was never man's world, cause you shamed us. The way you went through the maze we set up to keep you from power. Cause we are cowards, just intimidated by your power. Says women, the real reason the world's still spinning. Y'all been holding shit down ever since the beginning. And I'm sorry for all the nonsense. Person made you.
But I think I need to let it wait for a bit. And then I need to run it up to temperature and see if it works. I think that's good.